Mama's foot's there. Take a push forward. Alright, now push it. Do you want on it? You want on it?
Why don't you try to sit up
She's
there
trying to
on
get
the
on
table?
it.
Whoa! Hold on. You gotta hold on. I might can push it if you don't hold on. Hold on.
Mama, I don't know where to hold on.
Yes, she does. We do this.
Look at her. She's trying to put her foot on that
She knows that
pedal.
Daddy taught me how.
Oh, my goodness.
And Mama helped me. Hold on. Put your feet up there.
Look at that.
See, we can be riding
See,
this
they
stuff.
ain't quite long enough yet, Mama.
Yes, they are. We've been doing this. Well, I know there's a step on there.
Bring her over this way, Angie. Savannah.
Oh, no.
Ready? Here goes Savannah.